here's a little video for you guys. So to remove these wiper blades, basically there's a little tab that when it's on here, you will push this little tab right there that's got the number 2 on it. You'll have to basically push this little tab up from the underside, and then it'll slide out and you can take it out. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the passenger side, as I've already got the driver's side one oriented, and I took the little nozzle hose out and I put it onto the new wiper blade here. It's a BOSCH. It's a BOSCH AeroTwin, and there's your product number for it. It's AR608S. Should be able to find these online. I think you can find them at Summit Racing, so that's where I bought those. All right, so here it goes. So you there's not really a lot of room to work with. You can see you can't really lift these up too much, but if you get under here and you get your finger under in between the wiper blade and that, you can push this up, and then from there you should be able to unhook this little bugger. These aren't too easy to deal with, but let's see if I can work this in such a way. Alright, there we go. Got these on. It's kind of slid off. Now I just need to, it'll slide off. I just kind of unhooked it properly. Alright. Now I just need to, since I've kind of got this unhooked, I just need to get this hose off. So it just takes a little bit of force because these things are a little bit older, but hose will come right off, as you can see. But yeah, that's how you get these off. I'm still kind of working on it, but you'll see.